Is your Oral-B electric toothbrush not working properly? Let's systematically troubleshoot the most common issues to get your toothbrush back to optimal performance. First, identify which category your problem falls into. Power issues are by far the most common, accounting for 45% of all toothbrush problems, followed by mechanical issues at 30%. Since power issues are the most common problem, let's focus on these first. The charging system is often the culprit, with contact corrosion being a frequent issue. Start by cleaning the charging base contacts. Corrosion can build up over time, preventing proper electrical connection. Use a dry cloth or cotton swab to gently clean both the base and toothbrush contacts. Next, ensure proper alignment on the charging base. The toothbrush should sit flush and stable, with the charging light activating to confirm connection. If cleaning and alignment don't solve the issue, test the charging base in a different outlet to rule out power supply problems. For mechanical problems, the drive shaft is the most common failure point. This component connects the motor to the brush head and experiences significant wear over time. Look for signs like reduced oscillation, unusual noises, or brush head wobbling. These indicate potential drive shaft wear or loose connections that may require professional repair. If you have a newer Oral-B IO Series 9 or 10 model, you have access to built-in smart diagnostics through the Oral-B mobile app. These advanced models can automatically detect common issues and provide specific troubleshooting guidance through the app, making diagnosis much more precise and efficient. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your toothbrush issues, it may be time to consider more advanced repair options or professional service. When basic troubleshooting fails to fix your Oral-B electric toothbrush, it's time to consider repair options. Understanding your choices can save you money and extend your toothbrush's lifespan. Battery replacement is often your best option. Battery degradation accounts for 28% of all Oral-B toothbrush failures, making it the most cost-effective repair you can perform. You have two main repair approaches. DIY repairs typically cost $15 to $35, while professional repairs range from $45 to $75. Battery replacement has a 92% success rate for DIY attempts. However, motor assembly issues, which account for 18% of failures, should be handled by professionals due to their complexity and the precision required. Repairs are most worthwhile for toothbrushes that originally cost more than $60. For example, repairing an $80 toothbrush with a $25 DIY fix gives you a total investment of $105, compared to over $120 for a new equivalent model. The right to repair movement has influenced Oral-B's design philosophy. Newer models feature more user-serviceable components and modular designs that make repairs easier and more accessible to consumers. Before attempting any repairs, check if your toothbrush is still under warranty. Charging issues, which account for 42% of all failures, are the most frequent warranty claims and may be covered at no cost to you. Remember, battery replacement offers the best DIY success rate, professional help is recommended for motor issues, and always check your warranty status first. With proper repair choices, you can significantly extend your toothbrush's lifespan while saving money.